Hi guys, it's Natalia Trades here. A few weeks ago, I attended Token 2049 in Dubai, which is a great event for networking, especially if you are interested in blockchain, cryptocurrency, and crypto. The main focus was on meme coins and Solana. Solana is a blockchain, which we can compare to Ethereum. Solana is also called Ethereum Killer because it has lower fees. In this video, I would like to show you how to trade meme coins, especially how I trade meme coins, but I also would like to warn you about the risk that meme coins carry, because meme coins have no value and also tend to rug pulls. And I also would like to show you how to avoid rug pulls and how to find the meme coins which might be worth trading. So let's dive in. Okay guys, so now we are on Coindesk website and I would like to explain to you how to avoid rug pulls, which is the most important part. As you can see, on this article, we can read that crypto rug pulls cause billions of dollars in losses in the global crypto market. So it's very important to understand what they are and how to avoid them. So what is a crypto rug pull? A rug pull is a type of exit scam that involves a team raising money from investors and the public by selling a token only to quietly shut down the project or suddenly disappear, stealing the raised funds and leaving investors with worthless tokens. So exactly this is what can happen. And this is why you have to be conscious, especially when investing in coins. So if we scroll down a bit, you can see that there are different types of rug pulls. So the common types of rug pulls includes liquidity pool. So this is where the liquidity is removed from a token pool. And then you have fake projects. So fake project, it's when the project looks that is actually quite okay. But when you will look closer, then you can find that everything is a scam. So for example, what we'll have to look at is if the meme coins or the project has the website and if they have Twitter account and if there's any community. And when it comes to Twitter account, unfortunately, you can buy followers. So even if you can see that, for example, the specific project has 10,000 followers, those can be fake followers. So it's very important to check how many likes or how many comments the specific tweet has. So you will need to ensure to check this everything step by step. Then you have pump and dump. So this is where big money comes in and then everything is sold, unfortunately. And then you have team exit. So those are the types. And how to identify and avoid rug pull. So you will have to do the research. So this is what I'm going to show you now. You will need to do some security checks as well, community engagement. So it's important actually, especially when a coin or a project has, for example, Telegram. Join the Telegram, check if there is many comments, if actually people get involved, if they are positive about the project. So this is very important to check about this as well. And then if there is any warning sign. So as I mentioned, fake followers, or you can just read something bad about this project. Okay, so the second step, it will be to find the actual meme coins and how you can do this. The first part how you can do this is to just go into CoinGecko website and then search for the specific coin. What I actually like to do is to look for the category. So if we will search for Solana, now you can see that we have cryptocurrencies which are related to Solana. We have NFTs, categories, chains, etc. So I would like go to categories, and the two categories that we can see, it will be Solana ecosystem or Solana meme coins, and this is what we are interested in. If you will go to Solana category, this is where you can find all of the meme coins which has been listed on CoinGecko. And this is what can tell you that this project might be not something that will go after a few days, because to be listed on the CoinGecko, you need to meet the specific criteria. What you can see on this page will have the coin name, we'll have the price, what is the price change within 1 hour, 24 hours, and 7 days. Also, what is the volume and market cap. And then you can see a small chart when it's how the coin looks during the last 7 days. Okay, so let's just look at the random meme coin. So let's select Bonk. And then if you would like to first review the chart, so let's have a look. So I will go to Max, and now you can see the price when this project has been launched. So as you can see, the price did incredible amount of excess. So if you really invested at the beginning, so even last year in March or May, now you would be able to have a huge gains. But this is where it's not always happen like that. So I know that you hear stories that people can become a multimillionaires because they invest in a meme coins. Yes, it can happen, but it's very rare because usually people just lose money. So Whatever, if you would like to trade meme coins, you need to ensure that you only risk money that you are keen to lose. Personally, I'll only trade, for example, $50 or $100, and this is what I'm happy with losing, or even could be 200. How you can also look at this, it will be just look at this, how much money you can spend during the night, and you will be completely fine with it. So this is how you can do. Also, it depends how many meme coins you would like to trade, because I like to trade more meme coins, which means I increase my risk. So you also will have to look in how many meme coins or how many projects you would like to invest. If that will be 1, it's fine. If there will be 10, which means you carry bigger risk. But let's come back to Bonk. So every project has its contract address, and this is when you can find it. So you can see this coin has been created on Solana blockchain, and this is how you can copy the contract address. But before we will do this, I would like to show you where you can buy it or where you can trade those coins. So if you'll go to market, this is where you will be able to see all of the exchanges where you will be able to buy the specific coin. So for example, Bonk, you can buy it on Gate.io, you can buy it on MEX, you can buy it on Binance and other exchanges. What I really like to do is to check this coin on DEX Screener or dexscreener.com. And if we'll go to search and then paste the specific contract address and then press enter, this is where we'll be able to find some more details. So now I'm looking at daily chart. So if we will make it a little bit smaller. So as I mentioned before, if you would invest in Bonk, that says in September, and if you will sell this at the top, that coin did 100x. So that would be a very good investment. And that would take you, if you would like to hold this, that will take you almost half of a year to sell this coin with 10x's, with 100x's. So if you won't even think about this, usually people will sell the coin after it doubles or after it did 10x's. So it's not that easy also to hold this coin for that long time. So it's something to be aware of. What I also would like to mention, which can help you with holding your coins for longer, or to just wait for the specific amount that you would like the coin to reach. So my mentor mentioned, or my mentor strategy is to remove the initial capital that you invest in a coin after the coins double in its price. So for example, if you trade with $100, after the coin it's worth 200, this is when you remove 100, then you have risk-free money, which is actually very good, especially when you trade bigger amounts. Like for example, if you would like to trade 10,000, so after the coin did double, so to exit, this is when you can remove your initial capital and remove your risk completely. The other part which I really like about DEX Screener is that you can see all of the transaction that happen or it's happening on this coin, because this is in live. So you can see that lots of people are buying right now and selling. You can also see the specific wallet address, which is buying or selling. So for example, as you can see, we have here a dolphin, and a dolphin, as it says, it's a person who invested in a specific project between $1,000 or $10,000. We can also see whales. So for example, on this one, so this is when it's a person who invested between 10,000 and more. And now you can see what those people are actually doing. So as you can see that the whales sell over 1,000 of this coin. And you can also see that, for example, they invested $25. So they invested $25,000. I think I lost him now. But for example, this person invested $500,000. So this person bought $600,000 worth of this coin, and they sold 693. So they basically, so the profit and loss was 73,000, as you can see, which is very good gain for them. So this is what you can see. So you can, for example, filter by the specific wallet address, and then you can see what other people are doing, which in my opinion is actually very good to be aware of this. The next part, which I really like about meme coins, you can check. We have a website which is called rugcheck.xyz. So I'm going to go to this page now. Now we are on website rugcheck.xyz, and this is when you can paste the token address, and this is when you can see if the specific project has a good opinion, or if something that you might, or is something that is worth investing. So if you can copy the contract address once again and then paste this here. And now we can check it. So you can see that the risk analysis is overall good. The good part, and what it's something that we would like to check, it will be the liquidity pool, because if liquidity pool is removed, this is when coin go to zero. So we would like to check if there's any liquidity pool locked. So you can see it is, we have only 3.64%, which is not big. Top holders own almost 30%. but the community sentiment is very good. And this is very important for a coin because you would like to have community people that they invest their time and they invest in their coins, and they're also keen to do something more. So sometimes those small projects can become a big project because they have a vision and they would like to do something different, which is very good. Okay, so let's have a look maybe all the Odin coins. So let's see something new that we have right now. Okay, so let's look at Solana coins. So I just went to Solana and now we can see all of the coins which has been created on Solana. I also would like to mention that it's very easy to create a new meme coin on Solana. You can Google it. It's extremely easy, and this is why it's very important to check the coin before you invest in it. Okay, so let's have a look. I would like to order by the biggest liquidity. And let's have a look of the coins here. That is maybe something that will be worth it investing or something that we would like to look at. Okay, so let's look maybe at cat in a dog's world, which is meow. Meow, this is what it said. Okay, so let's have a look at the chart. This chart looks like it's consolidating, which is actually very good. So what this chart could do right now, it could go either up or we can just go down. So there are only two options that we can do. Nothing else really. What is really worth mention in this example that we made lower high here, then we made double top in this area, and then we made another lower high here. However, we were making higher lows, so as you can see in those areas, and in this one, so this is very important to understand what could happen. Personally, I would be happy to invest in this coin, but before I will do that, I would like to make some checks. So first one will be to check the website. Okay, so they have a website. For too long, dogs have ruled the world. Okay, and this is where you can also buy the meme coins. So the exchanges that you can buy, usually all coins will be Jupiter or Redium. This is where you can buy. Okay, so this is the website. So now we can see the supplied 8th. Just to mention for those people who are interested in numerology, 8 is number of money and also of a karma. And 2024, it's the year which summed to 8. So this is the year of money. And this is probably what they use as well, which is very good to see. Okay, they had 10% A drop. So let's now look at the rag pool website, at the rag check website. So we'll have to copy the contract address. Okay, so we can see that the risk analysis is good. It's something that is good to see. Now the liquidity pool lock, it's 99%, which is very good to see. You would like to buy projects which have liquidity pool locked. Now top holders, it's only 20%. It's better when it's less, but 20%, it's still good. So this is very good. And community sentiment, it's okay. I still think that's a good token that we can still try to trade it. So the next part will be to check if they have Telegram. So as you can see, they have Telegram and they have 18,000 users. And this is where we'll have to view this on the Telegram. My Telegram is not connected on my MacBook, but you can also check this yourself. So it will be something good for you to check. And then the last part will be to check the Twitter account. And as you can see, they have 90,000 of followers. And they post a like by 500 people, 600. Yeah, so this seems actually like a project that I would invest. And how you can actually buy those coins. So if you will go on Jupiter website, so you will have to connect your wallet, and the option to connect your wallet will be Solveware. Personally, I use Solveware to actually buy this coin, so I don't go to Jupiter and I don't connect my wallet, and that's the way how I do it. So to create Solveware wallet, you will have to do this on your mobile, and you will have to download the app, and then you will have to follow the step, which is very easy to do. So you will have to create new wallet. They will provide you with 12 keyword phrase, which will be your security phrase. And this is something that you cannot share with anyone. And this is how you can access your coins. So this is very important to do. And then you can just use the swap option as well on the mobile phone. And this is how you can exchange or swap your coins for Solana or for USDT, which will be on Solana blockchain. Okay, guys, I think that's it when it comes to the specific steps that you have to follow, how to find meme coins on Solana blockchain. I'm actually wondering how Meow will go and how the price will go. And probably I will do an update on this project if I gain anything on it. So we'll have to look. And I wish you a great day.